Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add family members to your Amazon Prime account using Amazon Household. Amazon Household allows you to add members of your family to your account, letting you share your Prime benefits such as shopping, streaming video, music, and more. It allows you to add one other adult, up to 4 teens aged 13 to 17 who can shop and stream, but must get permissions first, and up to 4 kids aged 12 and under. They won't be able to shop, but they'll be able to access Prime benefits like Kindle Free Time. Each member must first have their own Amazon account, but will be able to access your Prime benefits after you set this up. To get started, head to Amazon.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Hover over Accounts and Lists to view the drop-down menu here. Inside, choose Prime Membership under your account. At the top, you'll see the Manage section. Select Update, Cancel, and More. Inside of here, you'll then see Membership Sharing. Choose Manage Your Household under Share Your Benefits. You'll then be at the Amazon Household page. Here you can read through all of the features available with Household. When you're ready to add a member, choose who you want to add under Create Your Household. Enter their name and email address and then hit Continue. Next, agree to share your wallet and payment sources with the new member and hit Continue. Choose what you'd like to share with your family member from your family library. Finally, send the invite to your family member where they'll have a couple of weeks to log in and accept your invitation to join your household. Once your family member joins, Amazon will then send you a confirmation notification that they've accepted. And that's how you add family members to your Amazon Prime account using Amazon Household. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.